One. All right, here we go. We're gonna go in downstream with the M5 twist on this side of the house. I want you to notice how dirty it is right now, okay? We're gonna go all the way around the house, and when we come back to rinse, it should already be all melted off the house, okay? We're just rinsing off the SH off the windows and the rest of the siding, but it should already be clean by the time we come back. We're going to go and put the downstream ejector in the bucket of water. Alright, now we're going to downstream, we're going to rinse off the downstream ejector with 5 gallons of fresh water, okay? While we're rinsing the house, so technically we're downstreaming fresh water, 5 gallons, okay? So look, y'all, we came back to rinse, but look, it's already all melted off the house now. All right, so all we're doing is rinsing off the SH, and we're wetting the windows and the plants real good. All the electrical stuff, all right? All right, always wet the plants, windows, electrical appliances real good, all right? Before and after. Before you downstream and after you downstream.